Erection All Risks insurance coverage for flood damage at site. A cement plant under erection in Odisha is hit by unexpected heavy rains and flooding. The foundation pits and newly installed machinery get submerged and corroded. After investigation, insurer survey confirms water ingress due to natural flooding, insured peril. Several electrical motors and switchgear panels damaged. Loss assessment was repair and replacement, 45 lakh rupees. Cleaning and drying, 5 lakh rupees. Salvage value, 3 lakh rupees. Outcome: claim paid 47 lakh rupees after deductible. Insumust, be insured, be safe.